I don't catch everything, but I catch some good stuff. You can hardly see the lightning bolts unless they're over and near us over the clouds. Every lightning strike I see where it's the brightest, I try to bring the camera to it. You hear that noise?
Yeah.
I got that, Daddy!
That's right there, man. Did you get on the phone? Nuh-uh.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You saw the boat?
Yes, I saw it. That was the best one yet.
What was that one? About 16 minutes?
That was awesome. I'm glad. You got scared. You were backing up. I turned and looked at you like you were crazy. That was cool. That was loud too. What?
You said.
Ooh, I got that too. That was the best one yet. It scared my dad. That sounds like a train falling over.